It's time for another gardening update.
Well guys, I haven't been doing too much of anything out here on this balcony as of yet. I did get my new plant shelf. It's all put up. I just have to come out here and move plants over and put that over there on the some on the new plant shelf. And over here, I just gotta finish putting my herbs and stuff on this side where the sun is nice and bright. Wait, I think I got it too close. Hold up. Yeah, I just got to finish moving my herbs over here to the sunny side. So I'm glad what's going on, but I got to get back busy making it look nice for myself.
I'll see you on the next one.